When wildlife becomes a nuisance, it can pose serious health risks and costly property damage. Selecting the right, professional, and swift action is crucial. At Varment Guard, we have more than 40 years of experience delivering the best in-class wildlife removal, animal exclusion, and property damage repair. Many of our technicians have degrees in wildlife management, so when you contact us, you can be sure you're getting an expert. Our customers have trusted us to keep their family, property, pets, and place of business safe and nuisance-free for over 4 decades. It's not just our job, it's our calling, and we take this responsibility seriously. At Varment Guard Wildlife Services, we provide quality, efficient, and transparent service. We set the standard of excellence in solving nuisance animal problems from squirrels, raccoons, and skunks to snakes, birds, bats, and more. As one of the largest privately owned wildlife companies in the country, we're proud to be family owned and operated by industry leaders Plunkett's Pest Control. At Varment Guard, our highly trained technicians utilize the most innovative, environmentally friendly, and least invasive techniques to remove and keep wildlife out of your space. All of our employees are insured and undergo an in-depth training and screening process, so you can be confident we're sending a reputable professional to your home or business. We offer quality programs for odor control, cleanup, and sanitation. Our technicians are skilled craftsmen, adept at repairing damage and restoring property to its original form. Varment Guard uses ecologically sound and humane control methods while following all local and state laws for your safety, our technicians' safety, and local wildlife preservation. So, next time you need nuisance wildlife services, think of Varment Guard.